Hi guys, today let us begin with the fourth module and study the concept of engineering materials. Well, an engineering material is a solid substance which is manufactured and used for various engineering applications. Well, a particular material is selected for a specific application depending on the set of its properties. Some of these properties may include tension, compression, brittleness, ductility, castability, machinability, etc. So now let us study some of these materials, starting with metals. Well, metals are classified into broadly two types, that is the ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Ferrous metals are the one which contain iron as its chief constituent, while non-ferrous metals do not contain any iron. Now let us study some of the ferrous metals. First, the pig iron. Well, pig iron is a half-finished ferrous metal which is produced in a blast furnace by melting of the iron ore and the coke, which is combined with the flux agent. The pig iron constitutes about 92% of iron, 3 to 4% of carbon, and small amount of other impurities such as sulfur, manganese and phosphorus. Well, the high percentage of carbon content which is present in pig iron makes it very hard. However, this increased hardness will also lead to more brittleness. Hence, from the following properties, pig iron is used in forging basic tools and also in making wrought, cast iron and steel. Next, wrought iron. Well, wrought iron is the pure form of iron. It consists about 99.5% iron and small amounts of carbon content, which ranges from 0.05 to 0.25%. Along with this, small traces of impurities are present such as sulfur, manganese, phosphorus and silicon. The low carbon content in the wrought iron makes it soft, ductile and highly elastic. Also, it will have a better tensile strength. The wrought iron can be heated and worked into various desired shapes. Well, wrought iron is used in building of fences, gates and railings, etc. Next, cast iron. Well, cast iron is prepared by the remelting of pig iron in a furnace by making some changes in its composition while it is in the molten or liquid state. Here, carbon and silicon are the main alloying elements. Well, cast iron contains up to 90 to 92% of iron, 2 to 4.5% of carbon and 1 to 3% of silicon. It also contains small amounts of sulfur, manganese and phosphorus. There are different types of cast irons based on composition and properties. Let us study few of them. Grey cast iron. Well, this cast iron is produced when the molten pig iron in the mold is allowed to cool and solidified slowly. Here, part of the carbon separates out in the form of flakes, forming graphite. This leads to a grey appearance of the iron and hence the name grey cast iron. Well, it contains 3.2 to 3.5% of carbon, 1.3 to 2.3% of silicon along with sulfur, phosphorus and manganese in small amounts. Well, grey cast iron possesses excellent castability, that is the property in which the material can easily undergo casting, machinability, that is the property of the metal through which it can be easily machined into the required shape and size, and is also wear resistant. However, the presence of high carbon makes it more brittle and also it will have a low tensile strength and shock resistance. Grey cast iron is used in the manufacture of automotive engine blocks, gears, flywheels, brake drums, etc. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.